In this video, I'll show you how to find and download free previews of our AI-generated scenes that are designed to work seamlessly with our free candle mockup templates. Start by visiting productivevisionaries.com, navigate to the AI-generated scenes section in the navigation bar, and click on Scented Candle Scenes. Right now, only Type 1 scenes are available because that's the template type we have, but more will be added soon. Browse through available themes like autumn, rustic, Christmas, and more. These scenes are designed to fit perfectly with our candle mockup templates, ensuring consistent lighting, perspective, and composition. Currently, free preview scenes are only available for standard quality scenes, so be sure to select the standard quality filter at the top of the page. To preview a collection, click on the image to open the product page. Each collection contains 8 backdrops with different aspect ratios and poses. Scroll to the Download Free Preview section in the Info panel and click the Download Here link. Your download will start immediately. Please review the terms and conditions, especially Section 16, which explains how to use the free previews. You can find it linked in the footer of any page on the website. Once downloaded, unzip the files using your preferred app. If you need a recommendation, you can use Bondi Zip Free version for easy unzipping. To use the free preview scenes, you'll need the free preview templates. If you haven't downloaded them yet, check out the quick tutorial linked in the info cards and the description box below. We won't cover specific usage instructions in this video. Those will be addressed in future videos. Keep an eye on the description and info cards for updates. Download your free preview scenes today and see how they can enhance your candle mockups. Don't forget to check the info cards for tutorials on using these scenes with our templates. See you in the next video.